Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Pictoblox 5X, a working camera, and the face detection extension enabled. Once done, grant camera access and choose your camera source. Now load the face detection block set and pick a model, HAR for speed or DNN for accuracy. Make a new project and add a live video sprite. Position it centrally so detection has full frame coverage. These first steps get you into a runnable state immediately, so you can test detection. Once the live video is running, configure detection. Set scale factor to 1. 1, 3, min neighbors to 3.6, and min size to a reasonable pixel value for your camera. Then create a loop that captures each frame, runs detect faces, and iterates results to draw bounding boxes and extract X, Y, width, height. Make variables for face count and face index. Update them each frame so other scripts can react. Also add smoothing or debounce logic if boxes flicker, which stabilize. To finalize, run full tests with one and multiple faces and change lighting to validate robustness. When results are stable, save or export your project, PB and document camera permissions so others can run it. If detection fails, first check lighting and camera frame rate. Low FPS or dim light often causes misses. Next, switch model or tweak scale factor and min neighbors. If boxes jump, increase min neighbors or add temporal averaging. These steps resolve most common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.